keep getting weird. The shipwreck's become a little mangrove. It's cool, isn't it? Because it's captured all of the sand. Does it? Just for you, Jack. Don't. Bird or a dolphin? Wish I had binoculars. It's just to the, like 5 to 11 of that. Yeah, I reckon it is. See where the red thing is? There's a dolphin just to the left of it, so we'll just head that way. Oh wow. Tessa and Nikita get to meet the dolphin. Hello, dolphin! Oh wow. Bit of both. Just want to go a bit slowly underneath this log so we don't take our heads out. Watch your head, Jack. Watch your head. Uh-oh. Man-eating whistlebird. I just saw a little bird there. This is going to be interesting. You might need to push off against that log, Jack. Just push off against it. No, don't dodge it. Push off against it. Thanks. 10 o'clock coming at us. Gonna go under. Come on, mate. Well, that was very nice, wasn't it? There he goes. Let him get a bit of this.